Ito ba si Mito?
Welcome to Peter's Kangkongan.
Si Chef Mito.
Our first dish is crispy kangkong. Second dish is binagoongang kangkong. And our third dish is lumpiang kangkong. See? And this is our specialty. It's kangkong shake.
May dahon pa rin.
I love it. This is ito, Peter's kangkong. Ito na to. Peter's kangkong. This is Peter's pangkong.
Pankong.
Okay.
Now you see.
Yummy!
Kasali ko hindi ka sa tao. Tao, ito na.
That's the end of our show.